Hello and good morning. Yesterday, something came into the news which was unexpected. Yesterday, 19th July, Friday. In India, it is almost the day begins. We got to know the news about Microsoft technology outage all over world. The news came first from Indigo Airlines in India that their booking system was not working perfectly and they were facing some technical glitch due to some security issue in Microsoft Azure. That is the news we came to know at 10 or 10:30 in the morning. Slowly we got to know the news about technical outage from share market, from airlines, from 911 emergency system in USA and some other fields worldwide. So it was a massive global technical outage. The system didn't work in many countries. Like I was checking the news, particularly in countries like USA, Europe, some countries in Europe, Australia. Even the office laptops got the blue screen of death, the popular BSOD, or rather unpopular BSOD, blue screen of death. Like the system got crashed whenever any device which had Microsoft installed as operating system, it got crashed without anyone's notice. So it was a massive technical glitch and it continued for hours and hours to fix it. So that was all in the news whole day. I think we got some way or rather updates related to this type of outage, and simultaneously we got to know some issue in the CrowdStrike environment. So CrowdStrike is another security related company which provides endpoint security. So we got to know two news. One is from Microsoft Windows operating system not working perfectly, and second is some technical issue in CrowdStrike. That's all. Like as a layman, most people got the news, and it was said that this is a security attack or security breach. And Microsoft and CrowdStrike, as usual, issued the patch or the guidelines how to rectify the mistake. But still, it was a massive outage, as some news was broadcasting. This is one of the biggest technical glitch in history. So such is the impact. Luckily in India we didn't face much only we got the news from some aviation companies like Indigo had some problem, and they manually issued the booking ticket, and some of their bookings were getting delayed. That is the news we got. Okay, so what happened exactly yesterday? Let's dig into it. So there are two companies. One is Microsoft, which provides the operating system, the popular Windows and other Mac operating system. And second is CrowdStrike. As I said, CrowdStrike is a security related company. So Microsoft was using CrowdStrike's endpoint security software. That means any Microsoft device which had installed CrowdStrike, it got affected without the user's notice. So this CrowdStrike, it has one feature called Falcon sensory system or Falcon threat detection system, which actually runs deep into the Microsoft OS system, Microsoft's operating system. It actually works in the kernel of Microsoft's working OS. So as it is a security, like real-time security detection system, so Microsoft has given permission to CrowdStrike to run into Microsoft's OS, that means in the kernel of the Microsoft's OS, and do the necessary changes whenever required. When CrowdStrike implemented one software update in their Falcon threat detection system, that software had some glitch, some technical issues, and that software, as it is running inside the kernel of Microsoft, due to this issue in the CrowdStrike's Falcon threat detection system, Microsoft OS crashed. That's the reason we saw blue screen of death, BSOD. So what was the solution? Whenever any technical glitch happens, such type of outage, the solution is immediately the service provider provides one patch, or it rolls back its updates. That means the previous stable software will be installed, the current patch whatever was installed, it will be rolled back, that means removed, or some patch, some technical some software update it will provide to fix it. So two types of solution, but here as it is here CrowdStrike immediately removed the software. So what actually happened when CrowdStrike pushed this software update without anyone's notice, it got installed in Microsoft device. This is a normal procedure, it happens in the background. This is a normal procedure, but due to this security issue in their latest update, it impacted the OS of Microsoft. So Microsoft system or Microsoft operating system crashed. When CrowdStrike tried to roll back, as the system already crashed, it could not happen. So what is the solution now? Any Microsoft device which have been affected now, they have to manually restart their system in safe mode and give the permission to CrowdStrike to roll back it. If it is not happening in the background, then manually the user has to delete that update from the specific location. Even CrowdStrike had given that direction. So they have to remove that patch or that update file manually. That was the solution. And just think, such a massive scale of outage, and all the systems are running in a real-time mode, and if you go for manual update like this, how long it will take and how big will be the impact. That is what happened yesterday. So it was not a security glitch or cyber threat. It was a software bug in CrowdStrike's Falcon system, which crashed the Microsoft operating system, and when CrowdStrike tried to roll back it, it was not possible due to the operating system already crashed. So it has to be changed manually, and that's the reason it took such a long time and the impact was so big. So that's all for yesterday's technical glitch. For any such updates, keep watching. Thank you.